Here is what you need to know about MansaX, an MMF-like investment that provides interest as high as 24% per annum. Returns on common passive investments vehicles such as bonds, fixed deposit accounts, MMFs, and T-bills have recently been on a decline. This has prompted some of our readers to reach out to us, seeking information about other special collective investment schemes such as MansaX. MansaX is a medium to high-risk investment from Standard Investment Bank. The principle behind MansaX is similar to that of other MMFs or collective investments. Investors like you and I pull money into a fund run by professional investments who invest it elsewhere. However, the investments are different from MMFs because the professionals running them are allowed to invest in bigger pool of investments. These include medium to high risk options, including rare commodities and shares in international markets, etc. MMFs, on the other hand, are only allowed to invest in low risk and short-term investments such as government securities and commercial papers. The special funds also have a higher minimum entry capital. Mansa has two options. One that handles Kenya shillings, where investors must be ready to make a minimum investment of 250,000 Kenya shillings, and also they should be ready to make top-ups of not less than 100,000 shillings. The fund also has a USD account where investors must put in a minimum of $2,500 and be ready to make top-ups of $1,000. In both funds, the investment must be locked up for the initial 6 months, and it will attract a 5% financial service charge as well as a 10% performance charge. The fund also offers liquidity terms just like the MMFs, in that investors can withdraw their money within 2 or 3 working days. In 2024, the fund earned its investors a net return of 19.53% after a yearly gross return of 24.53%. For perspective, a person who invested 1 million shillings in the fund when it was launched in 2019 has accumulated a total of 1.8 million shillings so far. Investors, however, need to understand that past performance is never a guarantee of future success. Being a medium to high risk type, returns are not guaranteed, and the funds are prone to market fluctuations, which can either net in profits or deliver losses. Money254.co.ke has written about this and other investments. Click the link in bio to learn more.